Hello, welcome to another video on identity function. Identity function is a very useful and very special type of functions which is frequently used in the discussion of function. Identity function is such a function whose input taken and output thrown out are same. Let us consider a function. Let us say there are two sets, same set A and A, and this is a function from set A to set A. Let us say this is I. So I is a function from set A to set A. I is a function from set A to set A. It is also called, as you know, that I is a function on set A. We may also call it like this: I is a function from set A to set A, whatever it may be, such that I is a function from set A to set A, such that Ix equals to x. Let us say I of x equals to x. What does it mean? It means that, let us say, the set A is containing several elements, and this is also the identical set. This set and this sets are same. This is the domain and this is the codomain or range of the function I. Now let us say if this is say 5, then this I function, so this is the I function, it takes input as 5 and its output is also 5. That is, 5 is related to 5. 5, its output is also 5. Then this particular function I is called identity function. That is, identity function is such a function which generates the same output as the input. So this is Ix equals to x. We generally say Ix as y. Let us say y equals to x. And if we try to draw a graph like this, let us say in this direction we are taking Ix, or we may say it as y, and in this direction we are taking x. Now if it is say 1, Ix means x is the input. It is the input. If input is 1, then the output is also 1. If the input is 2, then the output is also 2. If the input is 3, then the output is also 3. Like that, it is going on. If the input is -1, then the output is also -1. If the input is -2, output is also -2. So the graph looks like this. The graph looks like this. That is, it will be at 45-degree angle. It will be at a 45-degree angle. So Ix equals to x, and this is the identity function. Remember that in the case of identity function, whatever is the input, the same is the output. Thank you.